How many of you want to be successful in your life? Thank you. How many of you want to be happy in your life? How many of you want both? Wonderful. Thank you so much. 80% of your personal and professional success is based on emotional intelligence. In comfort zone, there is only survival. There is no thriving. There is no success. There is no liberty. There is no purpose. It is just survival. A thought is an ancestor of an action. So today what I'm asking you, all of you, is to have a big dream for yourself. Journey is as important as the destination. Everyone communicates using love, but the love I am expressing, the other person is not able to understand because you are not using the right communication tool to express your love. When you are holding, there is so much pain, but what do you do outside? You're smiling, you're trying to put on a strong face, but inside there is so much of pain. Now the same is what is happening inside when you're stressed. So much of hormone is going and hitting your body. Only thing is you feel that effect not immediately, few years down the line. One of the important reasons why we're not able to love ourselves is because we are not able to empathize with ourselves. Who's the most toughest person on you? Most of the time it is ourselves. மத்தவங்க கூட நம்மள மன்னிச்சு விட்டுருவாங்க. நான் மன்னிச்சு எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? How can I do this? We never learn from experiences. We only learn from reflecting on our experiences. What people tend to do is when an experience happens, they take the emotion from it, they don't take the learning from it. When you have this ego that I have the biggest problem that nobody else has in life, then you will never be able to appreciate the pain that other people are going through in their life. But if you're able to acknowledge your pain, and acknowledge the pain that other people are going through there in their life, and if you're able to feel gratitude, then believe me, your journey will become much more comfortable, much more smooth, much more enjoyable. Everybody has a journey and everybody has some pain in their life. Now it's your turn now when you go outside, how you celebrate that. Thank you so